Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings from Shannon Rollings Real Estate with 4 home remedies for your home. Everybody loves a home remedy, and I've got 4 for you. The first is in your kitchen. If you feel like you need to revive that kitchen sink, it's the time to get rid of it because it looks all scratched, stained, and dirty. Well, wait. Get some steel wool. Brillo makes a great product, and use it on that sink. You're going to be amazed how it takes away all the stains and is also going to eliminate a lot of those scratches. The second is, do you need to renew a room? Get rid of wallpaper? Yes, you can paint over wallpaper. But first, if you got holes in the wallpaper, you need to fill it with some drywall mud, sand it, make sure it feels smooth. And where your seams come together, if you can fill that bump, well, you're going to see that bump when you paint it. So first you need to get some joint compound and put in there, or cut it and mud it with some drywall mud, sand it, and make sure it's smooth. And then you'll have a fresh looking new room. The third is, you want to upscale your light fixtures but don't have the money to do it? Well, you can take some Rust-Oleum spray paint that is a primer and paint together. Take down that old shiny gold light fixture that you bought 15 years ago that you paid a ton for and you don't want to replace it because of that, and revive it, repaint it. It's amazing how it'll make it look different. Also, if you have those gold knobs throughout your house in both the bathrooms and the kitchen, you got 45 knobs that would cost a fortune to replace, take all those knobs off, put them in a piece of styrofoam like some packaging that you got from buying something, put them in that styrofoam and spray paint those. It's amazing what a difference it'll make. And last, if you need to make your house smell good, cut up lemons, limes, citrus fruit, put it in some boiling water and then let it simmer. And that odor will go throughout your house and make it smell wonderful. For other tips about your home, visit my website at shannonr.com and click on the video library link. And thanks for watching.